It's like it's a miracle. Come on, buddy.
That was nice.
Wasn't that nice?
That was really nice.
Good boy. Go down. Oh, good boy.
Okay, I'm going to try this, Ken.
Oh, my God.
Right here, Dashie. Yes. Right here, Dashie.
You're running away.
I know we were late on that.
That's
Okay,
okay.
go up. Touch. Good boy, go down. Good word of yay.
Oh, my God.
That was good.
You did it. Woohoo.
I know.
And your feet were pointing the right way. I saw it.
I needed to know the...
We were across the forest, what was great. Thank you. Right, and you see on the video when you turned and you pointed the right direction, lo and behold, he came. And well done on your double cross right there.
From last week, it was the same
was
line, and I thought,
gave you
okay, I
warning.
got to do it the right way this time.
You know what though? And it looked comfortable.
Good
It
boy.
sort of looked like you practiced.
Yeah, thank you. When I saw that, I thought, okay, this is from last week. We're going to do it right this time.
Nice, well done.
Good boy.
So when you come back for second one, well done.